Alrighty, back at it again. We got a 2011 Dodge Challenger RT. We got let me show you the primary damage first, and then we're gonna go to the secondary. So we got this quarter panel with side swipe and whatnot, and we got a crease from all the way from here, running alongside, just barely missing a door. See the doors, it's not scratched or whatnot. We got this nice little dent right there, so about to repair that. Then we have this whole side to blend. If you could, I don't know if you can tell from the camera, but this is like two different colors. There's 3 variations to this actual paint coat for this particular Challenger. So, well, it's like a common color, but this is like 3 different variations. So this is like a purple, like in the sun, look kind of like purplish or whatnot. I can't really describe the color. It's just, all I know is it's just way off from the actual car color. So we got the hood, that's same as the fender, and we got the bumper that is the same shade. But these 3, got the front bumper, the hood, and the fender. It needs to be blended with this this whole side. So basically, painting this whole quarter panel, and painting the door, and we're painting the fender, and the hood, and the bumper. So, yep, that's what we got. So let's get to it. Alright, we got it all smoothed down. Got the dent pulled out. Got a body line running alongside the quarter panel. So right now I'm just checking for my my high and low spots, make sure it's all flat and smooth before I apply my my filler. Get it all smoothed down. Alrighty, we just put the wax and grease remover on it. I'm ready to apply the body filler and whatnot on it to smooth it in. So let's do it. Alrighty, got it in the booth. It is ready for primer. So we're about to put our 2K primer on it. Got it all sanded down, scuffed. So next stage is the tape. Tape it all up, masking tape. Got our paper ready, scissors ready, razor blades ready, and let's get to it. Already got it all masked up. About to get ready to put our wax and grease remover. Just clean this little section. Got it all ready. So I got my my 2K primer mixed all up already. So before I do that, I'm about to put my etching primer on and put like 1 or 2 coats on it. Then, you know, get it ready, and I can shoot my 2K primer on it. Let's get to it. Already got it in the booth. Got it all mashed up. So the next phase is to I got a permanent spot right here that I need to smooth down right quick because I had like a little small spot I had to fill in with the glazing putty. So I'm about to scrub that down right quick. When I sprayed it, it spit out a little trash right there. So this comes off. I just need to clean it off real good and make it ready. So let's get to it.